Hi, and welcome to our how-to series on the ICR helmet. Today, we're going to be walking you through how to set up your HUD. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do for your helmet is to only use the included charger in the box with a 5-volt wall charger. While you're charging your device, the rear LED will illuminate to tell you that you are charging. Once you're done charging, that illumination will go off. To turn on your ICR helmet, you're going to hold down the button for 2 seconds. Now, depending on the version of the helmet that you have, you may have it in one of 2 locations. One may be towards the rear of the helmet on this back plate. The other will be inside this chin bar. Once the HUD is on, single-click the power button to send the HUD to sleep or to wake it back up. The first step to adjusting the HUD to your vision is to get the helmet to fit correctly to your head. Now, the first step for that will be these. These are the adjustable ear cups that are repositionable through Velcro, completely removable and washable. Your ICR helmet is comprised of 3 main components. You have a slider, a hinge point, as well as a bendable arm. Once you slide the helmet on, make sure that you position the HUD in the periphery of your vision. You can see through our glass lens. That being said, we would recommend to not block your field of view, and so put it off to the side. Adjust the HUD until you feel comfortable, and once you do, that's it. And it's that easy to adjust the HUD on your ICR helmet. Check out the rest of the how-to series for some more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks!